Okay, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I will share with you an article about the first chapter of the book, How to Talk to Anyone. The title is The Power of First Impressions, Becoming a Somebody. Next. First of all, introduction. The moment we encounter someone for the first time holds immense significance. It is during this initial encounter that our brains form lasting impressions based on visual cues, capturing not just physical appearances, but also glimpses of personalities. Much like a caricature artist who skillfully captures the essence of the subjects, we too can confide our unique qualities within seconds, leaving a memorable mark on others. This article explores the influence of first impressions and provides techniques to provide a captivating image of yourself, making you stand out as somebody in a crowd. Next, the art of nonverbal communication. Renowned caricature artist Robert Grossman reveals that the key to capturing personalities lies in simply observing people. Similarly, when meeting others, our appearance, posture, and movements speak volumes about our characters. Studies indicate that over 80% of a first impression is formed non-verbally, even before a single word is spoken. Hence, it is crucial to be aware of our body language as it conveys confidence, charm, and authenticity. Next, the indelible first impression. In today's fast-paced world, inundated with information, people rely on quick judgments to navigate their daily lives. Consequently, the first impression we create becomes the lasting data others use to perceive us. Even when language barriers exist, individuals can accurately assess someone's friendliness, confidence, and stature based solely on visual cues. These initial impressions shape the foundation of our relationships, emphasizing the importance of projecting a positive image. Next, harnessing the power of appearance. Mastering the art of looking like a somebody requires deliberate attention to certain aspects. Great posture, a self-assured gaze, a confident smile, and a poised demeanor are all key ingredients in conveying intelligence, strength, charisma, and genuine interest in others. These visual cues immediately distinguish us as intriguing individuals worth getting to know. Next, next one, standing out from the crowd. To be perceived as somebody, we must employ techniques that set us apart in a situation. These techniques can be applied in various settings, regardless of whether we are surrounded by familiar faces or strangers. By implementing the following strategies, we can attract attention, exude confidence, and pique others' curiosity. Next, a captivating smile. A genuine and warm smile is universally appealing and instantly puts others at ease. It conveys approachability, openness, and a positive disposition, making people more inclined to engage with us. Next, confident body language. Adopting a confident posture, such as standing tall, maintaining eye contact, and using purposeful gestures enhances our perceived stature. It signals self-assurance and contributes to an aura of authority and credibility. Next, active listening. Demonstrating attentive and active listening skills conveys genuine interest in others. Engaging in focused conversations, asking thoughtful questions, and providing meaningful responses demonstrate empathy and make us stand out as individuals who value connection. Next, authenticity and charisma. Embracing our authentic selves and expressing genuine enthusiasm and passion for our interests makes us captivating individuals. Our true passion resonates with others and draws them toward us. Next, elevating others. Going beyond self-promotion and actively uplifting others cultivates. Next, positive reputation. By genuinely appreciating and recognizing the accomplishments of those around us, we create an environment of inclusivity and warmth, further establishing ourselves as somebody worth knowing. Conclusion: in a world where first impressions have tremendous impact, it is crucial to understand the power of nonverbal communication and utilize it to our advantage. By paying attention to our appearance, body language, and interactions, we can project ourselves as captivating individuals, regardless of the crowd or setting, cultivating a genuine and positive image through confident posture. Okay, guys, that's all from me for today. I hope this article will help you to become 1% better every day and improve yourself 36 times better in the next year. If you like this kind of video, please subscribe down below. Don't forget to like, share, and comment whatever you have in mind. I hope I'll see you in my next video and